All right, wrapping up with a lot to talk about for the year.
Sure are. Ending 2025 cold.
Yes.
We'll start 2026 cold, and we'll sprinkle a little snow in there too.
Okay, good. Yeah. It's winter in Maine.
Yeah.
Feels appropriate.
It's funny, I was just talking with somebody. I was like, oh man, I gotta chop up all this ice. He's like, well, we do live here.
This is where we are.
You know, if you didn't lose it in the rain, it's not going anywhere over these next 7 days. Tomorrow is not going to be quite as cold. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds with temperatures between 25 and 30. If you're headed out for New Year's Eve, it's going to start off dry, but there will be some snow showers that develop around midnight. And New Year's morning, especially in eastern Maine, could be a burst of snow, and the plows will probably have to come out New Year's morning in eastern Maine. And then the chill continues straight through the upcoming weekend. Right now we're at 12 in Waterville and Bangor, single numbers up north, and in the upper teens to near 20 on the southern Maine coast. Still a little wind, so the wind chill is 0 in Bangor, 4 in Portland, and 10 below right now in Greenville. We had a lot of cloud cover out there today. I think tomorrow there's a little bit more sunshine, and then this clipper system here will come down tomorrow night. It's moisture starved, but once it hits the Gulf of Maine, it'll get a little juice, and that's why we'll add a little snow to the forecast down east. We'll start you off tomorrow morning, 6 a.m., cold start, but I think there's a little more sun than we saw today. There will be a breeze tomorrow that comes in out of the southwest between about 5 and 15 miles per hour, but it should feel a little bit better than today. We get to about 30 in southern Maine, mid to upper 20s across the interior, and in the mountains, teens for highs coming up tomorrow. If you're stepping out tomorrow night, the weather will start out quiet. Could be a few flurries, but nothing of significance. Toward about midnight, we'll start to see snow showers blossom in New Hampshire and near the coastline. And after midnight tomorrow night, there likely will be this band of snow that forms near the mid-coast into down east Maine for Thursday morning. So there likely will be a burst of snow here for a while Thursday morning, while the rest of us start to dry out and the wind will pick up too. It'll be blustery and cold through the rest of the state on Thursday. By noontime, we're still snowing in Washington County. Then that moves out. We'll see clearing for Thursday afternoon, and it's going to be quite cold Thursday night into Friday morning. So for most areas, it's up to a fluffy inch of snow, but once you get to the mid-coast, 1 to 3 inches, and then as we see it now, 3 to 6 inches of snow over down East Maine from Bar Harbor to Calais to Eastport. There are some models that suggest in this area there could be more than 6 inches of snow, but this is where we'll keep it for now. So check in tomorrow for updates as we get closer to that. That says this system develops and then pulls away, and cold air drags down behind it. Teens north, low to mid 20s south on Friday, and it remains quite cold for both Saturday and Sunday. On the water tomorrow, see 7 to 10 feet with a west wind 20 to 30 knots. So a mix of sun and clouds tomorrow. I think you get the daylight hours in dry. If you're going to be out around midnight, that's when there will be some snow showers developing, and then a steadier burst of snow Thursday morning in eastern Maine. Sunshine, cold on Friday, still quite cold for Saturday. We actually knock a couple off the temperatures for Saturday. Could be some flurries Sunday morning, and then another chance for light snow on Tuesday. So no big storms statewide. But I think Thursday morning the clouds will be out for some.
Yeah, enough in certain areas.
Right.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.